Keeping your home clean isn't just about making it look nice, it's about creating a healthy space where you and your family can thrive. A tidy home does wonders for both your physical and mental well-being. Hello eco-warriors, we're diving into the world of conscious cleaning. Exploring effective and sustainable ways to keep our spaces sparkling clean without harming the planet. Let's explore how regular cleaning can help protect your health, reduce the spread of germs, and make your home a more comfortable place to live. Keeping your body healthy. A clean home is a healthy home. When you keep dust, dirt, and allergens at bay, you're less likely to suffer from colds, allergies, or more serious illnesses. Regular cleaning helps remove harmful bacteria, viruses, and mold that can build up in your home, making it a safer environment for everyone. Stopping germs from spreading. Germs love to hide on surfaces that we touch frequently, think door handles, light switches, and kitchen counters. If these areas aren't cleaned regularly, germs can spread quickly from person to person. A quick daily wipe down with an antibacterial cleaner can make a big difference in keeping everyone in your household healthy, especially during the colder months when bugs are more common. Creating a calm mind. It's amazing how much a clean and organized home can affect your mood. Clutter and mess can create stress, making it hard to relax or focus. When your surroundings are tidy, it's easier to feel calm and in control. Regular cleaning helps maintain a peaceful atmosphere, making your home a place where you can truly unwind. Have you ever noticed how much fresher a room feels after a good clean? That's because dust and allergens, like pollen, can build up in your home, affecting the air you breathe. Regular dusting, vacuuming, and cleaning can help improve the air quality in your home, making it a more pleasant and healthier place to be. As we go through this video, we encourage you to please hit the like button, leave us a comment and subscribe to watch more. Keeping allergies at bay. For those who suffer from allergies, a clean home is a must. Dust mites, pet hair, and mold spores are common triggers that can make life uncomfortable. By cleaning regularly, you can keep these allergens to a minimum, helping everyone in your home breathe easier. Making your home safe. A tidy home is also a safer home. Clutter can be a tripping hazard, especially in homes with children or elderly residents. Dust and debris can also pose fire risks if left unchecked. Regular cleaning keeps your home free from these hazards, ensuring it's a safe place for everyone. Keeping pests out. Nobody likes uninvited guests, especially when they come in the form of pests. Rodents, ants, and other insects are attracted to crumbs, spills, and clutter. Keeping your home clean, especially in the kitchen, helps keep these pests at bay, protecting your home from the diseases they carry. A home you can be proud of. There's nothing like coming home to a clean and tidy space. Whether you're relaxing after a long day or inviting friends over, a clean home is always more inviting. It's easier to enjoy your surroundings when everything is in its place and looking its best. Simple tips to keep your home clean. Keeping your home clean doesn't have to be a chore. With a few simple habits, you can maintain a tidy and healthy environment without spending hours on housework. Set up a cleaning routine. Regular cleaning is easier when it's part of your routine. Set aside time each week for tasks like vacuuming, dusting, and mopping. Focus on busy areas. Some parts of your home, like the kitchen and bathroom, need more attention than others. Make sure these areas are cleaned frequently to keep germs at bay. Use safe cleaning products. Choose cleaning products that are effective but also safe for your family and pets. Eco-friendly options are a great choice for a healthier home. Declutter often. A tidy home is easier to clean. Regularly declutter to reduce the amount of dust and dirt that can accumulate. Key areas to keep clean. Certain areas of your home need more regular attention to keep them clean and healthy. Here's where to focus your efforts. The kitchen. The kitchen is often the busiest room in the house, and it's also where germs are most likely to spread. Make it a habit to wipe down countertops, clean the sink, and disinfect surfaces regularly. Don't forget to clean your appliances, like the fridge and microwave, where food spills can easily attract bacteria. The bathroom. Bathrooms can quickly become a breeding ground for germs and mold. Regularly clean the toilet, sink, and shower to keep them fresh. Make sure to wash bath mats and towels frequently, and keep the bathroom well ventilated to prevent mold from developing. The living room. Your living room is where you relax, but it can also be a hotspot for dust and allergens. Regularly dust surfaces, vacuum carpets, and clean any upholstery. Pay special attention to hidden areas under furniture and corners where dust tends to accumulate. Like, share, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.